Hello and welcome to this short training video on KWIZ Custom Actions. In this video we'll do a general introduction to KWIZ Custom Actions. KWIZ Custom Actions are part of the KWIZ Forms Enterprise Edition and enable non-technical users to implement the required use cases without having to deal with technical workflow tools. Let's go to our SharePoint environment and let me show you what they do in action. But first, let's learn what are custom actions. Custom actions allow you to display certain buttons in the ribbon that allow your users to simply click a button and automate business processes. For example, let me go into the blue screen on laptop ticket and I am logged in as a support user called support1. As you see, if I look into the issue resolution, this issue is currently assigned to nobody and the issue status is new. I created this KWIZ custom action called Assign to Me, which is only visible to users part of the help desk group, and when I click it, you will see that this ticket is now assigned to support 1 and the issue status is assigned. So instead of having to edit the item, change the issue status from new to assigned, select myself as assigned to, KWIZ Custom Actions allowed me to only click one button and do multiple actions at the same time, and it also redirected me to the Cases Assigned to Me view. KWIZ Custom Actions are also context sensitive. If I go on my ticket again, you will see that I do not see the Assigned to Me item action anymore because the item is already assigned to me. So because KWIZ Custom Actions can be customized according to the context, I now see the closed ticket instead. Now, if I was using out-of-the-box SharePoint, if I wanted to close the ticket, I would have to click on Edit Item, then I would have to go to the issue resolution, change the issue status to closed, put the issue closing date to today, and enter a resolution. However, let's click Cancel and let's look at what the Close Ticket custom action does. As a support member, I can simply click on Close Ticket. And because when I close the ticket, I know that my support members only have to enter the resolution details, they do not need to see the rest of the ticket. So now my support can only say, for example, user error, save the item, and then all the rest of the fields were automatically filled by the custom action. The issue status got automatically put to closed, and the issue closing date got automatically changed to today. So KWIZ Custom Actions also allow you to only show certain input fields to the user to make them more productive. Also, KWIZ Custom Actions allows you to create bulk actions. Right now I'm in a task list and I would like to assign all those 3 tasks to myself. With SharePoint out of the box, I would have to go into each one of them, edit them, and then go into the Assign To field and enter my name. However, with KWIZ Custom Actions, I could simply select them all, and I have created a list custom action called Assign to Me that can apply to multiple items at the same time. So I selected all 3 tasks, I'll click Assign to Me. I have a prompt that I customized that says, are you sure you want to assign all those tasks to you? I'll put on OK. I will run this custom task on all the 3 items. It will only take a few seconds. I'll be automatically redirected, and as you see, all those 3 tasks are now assigned to me. KWIZ Custom Actions allows you to create 2 types of custom actions. One of the types of custom actions that we saw earlier is called a list custom action. A list custom action allows you to do an action on the list, for example, creating a new item, assigning a lot of list items to myself, and so on. And we also have the item actions. Item actions are actions that apply to only certain items. For example, the Assign to Me custom action that we saw just a few seconds ago. Something else that KWIZ Custom Actions allows us to do is to automatically start workflows when an item does something. So for example, what I did on my custom action is that when the issue status got moved to closed, I automatically started a workflow called Customer Feedback. This way my users get to tell us their feedback about the help desk experience. SharePoint out of the box doesn't allow me to start workflows only in certain cases. Out of the box, SharePoint only allows me to start a workflow when an item got created, modified, or manually. However, it doesn't allow me to start a workflow only when the ticket got closed, or only when the ticket got put on hold. With QuizCom Custom Actions, we can create actions such as close ticket, which will change the issue status to closed, put the issue closing date to today, only show the necessary fields to our support person that they have to fill, and also start a feedback workflow or any type of workflow that we want. This is it for the general introduction to QuizCom Custom Actions. In the next video, we will look at how to create the custom actions that we saw in those demos.